What's up guys, this is Lord Aizen, welcome back to Anime Central. My Hero Academia is doing some serious work with its manga, and much of it has come at Izuku's expense. The poor boy is fighting solo these days, as he does his best to locate All for One. The boy hoped to find a lead with the villain Lady Nagant, and he did take her down after using a speedy technique, unlike any we've seen before. The power came to light when Deku pushed himself and One for All to the limit. The boy managed to wield multiple quirks from his predecessors to create what he dubs full One for All. Izuku used the power to save Overhaul from being shot by Lady Nagant in a bid for distraction, but her plan backfired as she didn't realize how fast Deku could move. According to the math, well it seems Izuku can move pretty freaking fast. My Hero Academia shows Rain mid-full, as he leaps forward to nab Overhaul from a rooftop. It is like time has stopped for the boy given how quickly he is moving, and he shots back Lady Nagant's sniper bullet as it flies through the air. It moves as if in slow motion, so it is easy to see Deku is moving quicker than the bullet. And how fast does a sniper bullet move once shot? Well, the fastest sniper bullet in the real world can move from a chamber at about 1,700 miles per hour. Some guns are even being planned that exceed 2,000 and 3,000 miles per hour, which is boggling to think about. It seems likely Izuku is going as fast as real-world sniper bullets, plus some to outrun it. And if he is running at 2,000 miles per hour, well he is going Mach 2.5. That is insanely fast, and we're not sure if any Ida could claim such a record. Clearly, Deku has speed on his side in this form, but he cannot use it for long. All Might may be the only hero alive who can understand how fast Izuku is moving, so he knows the boy has no room for error. His ability to use full One for All on the fly to save Overhaul and then use it to stop Lady Nagant is an insane feat. And if you aren't impressed by it, well there is nothing left to say. Can you believe Deku pulled off this move? What do you think of his My Hero Academia glow up? Share your thoughts in the comment section below or hit me up on Twitter at Lord Aizen Bankai. Till next time, peace.